IC.
An integrated circuit, IC, sometimes called a chip, microchip, or microelectronic circuit, is a semiconductor wafer on which thousands or millions of small resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors are built.
Integrated circuits are inevitable in any electronic board. The integrated circuit acts as an amplifier, oscillator, counter, voltage regulator, timer and memory, and replaces circuits based on discrete components. Miniaturization is only one of the advantages of integrated circuits.